And what if you could buy a bike, have your bike repair, at the same time have a coffee and also some food? I think that's a great concept, and that's what we are going to discover right here, right now in Alex Bike Café, Iloilo. Let's see what it's all about. We're in Alex Bike Café and really wanted to come here already since yesterday, but it was closed as we were Sunday, but I thought that was like a pretty original and interesting concept to visit. So we're Monday, it's open, and we're here for a drink, a quick sandwich, and mostly to see and discover this place. The idea is great to have this kind of cafe where you can enjoy coffee and snacks while they like repair your bike and you have wait. They also like mainly it's a bike shop, so you got like a lot of bikes and parts. They have like everything you might want and you might need. I think it's a great place to know and discover if you're into this. I feel there's like a big cycling community here. Yesterday there was some kind of event where we saw a race in the center, and let's see about the food and the drink now. Of course, I'm not here waiting for my bike because my bike is in France, so I decided to stay and enjoy. So we are having a honey citron cold drink, iced tea style, and some ham and cheese sandwich, all of which for somewhere around like 300 pesos. So I guess this is good. It's like not that expensive for the food. I don't really know the prices for bikes here. That maybe it's kind of expensive, but it's a professional shop, so you have like professional bikes and good stuff. So okay, let's try the drink and the sandwich. The drink is good and feels like really refreshing. And now we're gonna try the ham sandwich. The cheese is like really good, like just cooked enough where it's like melted and well melted with the ham. So yeah, it tastes good. I really like the idea and the concept of the place. Overall, that was great. The food was good, the drink was really great, and you can tell this is a place for the passionates of bikes. And I guess that's it for today. And for the discovery of this place, tell me if you know some more original concepts around the city, and if you have visited some more, and if you knew this one, and if you already visit this place. And I will see you pretty soon for more discoveries around here or along the way. Until then, take care, and remember to always just go with the flow. Bye bye.